Indeed, a great pleasure to welcome you all for this occasion. KCP is well enriched and we tie up with ISRO for the last 3 decades. And this function is a very important function. And in the last few months, we have been hearing what is the accomplishments, what ISRO has been doing. Okay. This function is a curtain raiser. Our chairperson and managing director, Dr. VL, to give an address. Madam.
Good morning, everybody. I think only men are here, no ladies. Okay, lady. Good morning to the members, media, and the KCP Limited. Our country, India, is second to none in this area of aerospace, defense, and of nuclear. Our commitments to promoting self-reliance and innovations through Atmanirbhar Bharat Innovative has made us establish ourselves as leader in space missions like Mars in 2014, Moon Chandrayaan 3, and Sun Aditya L1. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, team for their recent success, Chandrayaan 3. Our company KCP has been manufacturing critical components for national building and making in India. Our association with ISRO dated back to more than 30 years. We have supplied heavy structural parts like second mobile launch pad, ground hardware for propellant casting and vehicle launching facilities to Sriharikota, ISRO. This meet is called to elaborate about one more such association with ISRO. KCP this time delivered integrated airdrop test crew module structure IADT CM to Human Space Flight Center, HSFC Gaganyan. The event is to take place tomorrow on 7th October at KCP Heavy Engineering Unit, Signature. At the outset, I am thankful to ISRO for giving this opportunity to be a partner in their program of national importance. IADT CM structure realization involves critical forming, rolling of panels, precision machining, heat treatment and surface treatment of parts, critical high strength and aluminum parts assembly. KCP infrastructure and skilled manpower ideally is suited for realizing this hardware and to meet the requirements of HSFC suitable for airdrop test trials. We thank HSFC team's valuable guidance in making a self-reliant India will continue as we always value excellence through innovation. Jai Hind.
Like is Indian Space Research Organization, Atomic Energy, as well as Defense. All three came to us from the last 3 days for these particular organizations, strategic organizations. Indian Space Research Organization, we are very much with them. As we've been telling that second mobile launch pad, which is a heavy equipment, that has been manufactured here and has been shifted. And structures also. That was the second mobile launch pad which has been made, and we talk about that. So apart from that, apart from making our sugar and cement plant equipments, we have been in the process of making oil and gas components also for the CPCL and IOCL and other areas of oil and gas equipments. And to be clear with you, I think latest I can tell you, you've been Chennai Metro, the tunnel boring machines we have been supplying. The latest tunnel boring which is going on with the latest track of the one which is taken care of is our 5 of our components in tunnel boring machines are supplied, and it's been running continuously in your line. And we have been making some more tunnel bore equipments supplying to our German company, which has been given to Chennai Metro, and they have been doing it. That's where we are there in the line of heavy equipments and seeing in the front. So the good opportunity has come from Indian Space Research Organization, at least from the last 3 decades we've been getting. And our colleague is Mr. Viswanathan is going to tell about this component which is going to be there. And
that is the integrated air. So ISRO is now working on the Gaganyan mission. Gaganyan mission is to send 2 or 3 crew members to outer space and safe returning. 3 crew members will stay for 3 days and observe from the outer space. And they will take some experiments they will do, bring back with some results. So here a very important thing is, so for that actually ISRO is demonstrating so many trials. This Gaganyan mission mainly consists of crew model structure and service model.